Hello and welcome back to another video. I am very excited, and I think you are going to be too, because there's something sitting to my right that I haven't seen in a very long time, and I'm very happy to see it again. I think it's been like 1.5 years because we really had some issues. And
fuck. Oh shit. Looks better than ever. Oh shit, son.
Oh, baby. Okay.
Should we
show you? Yeah, come.
Yeah. They didn't see it.
Show them.
Oh. Oh baby.
Ah, it looks so good. Yeah. My Viper is finally back. We got a brand new engine in it. Actually, it's not brand new. There's some miles on it. It's already driven in, so that's good. I don't have to be gentle, I hope.
Better than none.
Yeah. Basically still a stock engine, but I now have my old one laying around, so I don't know, maybe something's going to happen to it. I'm so happy. Also, I'm very tired, so I don't really know, but
that's our other story.
Yeah. I haven't seen this car in such a long time, man. So, hey, come, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh.
Fuck.
And you have to just look at this. This is completely stock. Everything. This car is 100% stock like this. You know how wide the wing is? I told you. 1776 millimeters, because that's the year America was founded. Name me more American car. Ah, baby. By the way, here's the engine. If you're wondering what a Viper engine looks like. This is my old one. My old Viper engine. Oh. There are 3 options. Either we make a table, we put 2 turbos on it, or we make it bigger. By the way, if you're wondering what happened to this engine, the
crankshaft is gone.
I see.
Yeah, we took it to the racetrack and it had problems with the oil, so crankshaft said no, and then the rest of the engine also said no. And it was really hard to get a new one. New engine, that's why it took so long, also with customs and everything. The reason why I bought a second engine was that it should have been faster than rebuilding this one. But in the end, I think it took like 3 times as long. But it is what it is. Now I have 2 Viper engines.
Hello, sir.
Hello guys. It's now a few days later that we picked up the Viper. As you can see, it's freshly polished. Thanks for that, classic clean Austria. They polished it in the garage. It was really nice. Yeah, we're gonna go to Battersea, and there I'm gonna test out the Viper for the first time since 1.5 years, properly, hopefully. So I'm a bit excited. You're driving with the Raptor, right?
Yes.
So we are Team America.
Yeah.
Of course, everybody has to know that I drive the Viper. So let's start, I guess. So yeah, we're on the way now. Mani is behind me with the Raptor. It's a pretty cool convoy, although we're only 2 cars right now, but I still think it's something the people here don't really see quite often. So we successfully made it to our hotel. Mani is already motivated.
Yes.
I'm gonna show you all the cars that are in our convoy. So first off, the Viper back there. Then we have GTR number 1 from Mr. Wille. Then we have the both pickups, the TRX and the Raptor. They look just so good together. We got 2 more GTRs, Jonas and Cent. And we got Mani's GT2 and Yudo's C63 Black Series. So all black convoy this year. We're gonna chill today for a little bit and then hopefully there's gonna be action tomorrow. Yeah, good morning guys. It's now actually 2 days later because yesterday nothing actually happened because we had some issues with Viper and we tried fixing the whole day. We changed the spark coils, we changed all the cables because we have some ignition problems on cylinder 8. And we found out it might be actually the spark plugs. We thought they were new, but they weren't. So we're changing them again right now, and then we hope the Viper runs again perfectly. Hello.
Hello. What are we doing?
I think we fixed the Viper. At least I hope we fixed the Viper. It's very cold today, so we will go. For me at least. We go up some mountain road once it clears up a little bit and test out the Viper because. Also,
Yeah, Mr. Laderman is here.
Laderman. Mean guy.
Mr. Meme Man. That was the surprise.
I have one for you too.
Single take. Obviously taking memes about cheap man who likes to crash his chip boxes.
Yeah, we made it to the mountain road. Also, we checked out the road before. It's still a bit wet in some areas. Take it really easy today. Like I said, it's really slippery today, so we really have to take it very easy. It should be alright, I guess. made it to the top. I didn't expect snow up here, to be honest. But
No. I think that's the only viper that's so snow.
By the way, we also got some pretty nice outside shots. I think you're gonna love them, right?
Are gone, man. Drifts back.
Kind of looks like we're in Afghanistan here, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
So yeah, I think we scraped a little bit. Also the tires, they are completely gone, man. They're not completely gone, but they're a bit more gone than I would wish in my Viper.
Insane, man. So
People
sick.
love it. I
Yeah.
love it as well. Oh, we're gonna clean it now. We just came back from our trip, and yeah, I'm happy the Viper is back. I really, really love it.
Runs great again.
Yeah, such an amazing car. So the car is now cleaned like a baby. Yeah, I'm really happy that the Viper is back now. It was 1.5 years of long waiting, but yeah, today was amazing. We pushed the car a little bit and it felt so good. So I can't wait for more videos, and I hope you like this one. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go test some other things. So be prepared for the next video, I guess.